My name is Mary and I'm from Canada. Welcome back to my Talking with Mary website construction update. As you know, I'm not a website designer, but I am attempting to create an interesting website that will be helpful for people who want to learn English. I appreciate your comments and hope you like the video. Editing using Elementor is so much fun now that I have the tutorials to guide me. I have to say, ad hoc learning is okay, but organized and structured learning is so much better. So I learned what a widget is and what a hamburger menu button is. I love this name for the 3 horizontal lines. Who knew? A hamburger menu button. How fun is that? This is my home page before editing. Yes, pretty boring, but it's bare bones. The home page as it is right now, still boring. I have to figure out how to put my signature rainbow in that black band at the top. I'll do it. And I like the idea of the 4 categories: the fluency and accuracy, comprehension, vocabulary, and practical application. All are foundations of learning English, and it makes sense to me to keep those 4 categories. But perhaps there's too much verbiage underneath each one. Send me your comments. Thanks a million. I like the idea of an offerings page talking about what I can give you. Writing prompts, engaging exercises, vocabulary expansion, practical applications. That makes sense. But maybe too much talking. And that color blue, I'm just not certain of. Let me know in the comments. Your thoughts and opinions are valued. Thank you. I like the concept of this draft page. Only have a few minutes? These fun and quick exercises are for you. The user will click on, for example, fill in the blanks, and that will link to the videos that have been created and published on YouTube. But that'll also include answers. So a little bit more informative. Same with the brain teasers, same as the spot the errors. Now I might have more exercises to add on to it. Nah, it's still in the development stage. Let me know in the comments what you think of this. My progress up to today, we've published 594 videos. Now, of course, most of those are shorts. And we have 468 subscribers. Really pleased with these numbers. If you like this little video, please give it the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to have a look at the books I've published, you can check me out at the Amazon authors page. Thank you and good night.